Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fasawa Anzalna Zahrabila from regular class 1A. My number P27835121025. I will explain the impact of processed food on the health of the body. Processed food is food that has past characteristics of processing such as drying, heating, freezing, packaging, or canning. For these reasons, the nutritional content of processed food has changed and tends to decrease. There are several reasons why processed food are considered to have a bad impact on body health. 1. High sugar content. Sugar adds calories, increasing the risk of being overweight and obese. Not only that, high sugar levels in the blood can also cause diabetes. 2. High sodium content. The process of preserving and drying food can increase the salt content, sodium, in the final product. Sodium consumption exceeding the daily intake limit has been shown to increase the risk of hypertension, stroke, and heart disease. 3. Contains trans fat. Processed food manufactured often add trans fat to achieve the desired taste and texture. This fat can increase bad cholesterol levels and trigger plaque formation in blood vessels. 4. Low fiber. Another nutrient that is usually missing for processed food is fiber. Various studies have shown that a lack of fiber intake can increase the risk of digestive disorders, diabetes, heart disease, to colon cancer. 5. Contains many additives. Processed food generally contain many additives with various functions. There are food coloring, artificial flavors, preservatives, and others. Consumption of these additives in the long term can affect the condition of your body. The negative impact of processed food on the body, namely 1. Hypertension. Consumption of processed food that are too much can trigger hypertension. This is because processed food contain high salt, sodium for preservation purpose. 2. Heart disease. Processed food are high in trans fat. This is a type of fat that is harmful to the body because it can increase levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and lower levels of HDL, good cholesterol. If not treated further, it will trigger an increase in cholesterol, which leads to heart disease. 3. Weight gain. Most processed food are high in sugar. If consumed in excess, of course, weight will increase. 4. Diabetes. Processed food tends to be high in sugar and carbohydrates. This content increases the risk of diabetes if consumed in excess. 5. Malnutrition. Processed food are foods that go through a long process. In the long process, the nutritional content in it can be easily reduced. In addition, it is not uncommon for processed food to be added to the intake of synthetic vitamins and minerals, which are certainly not good for the health of the body. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.